sinking thousands of cars. And as the storm continues to devastate the East Coast, Arizonans could also be affected as some of those damaged cars will likely make their way here. Today, Let Joe Know's Joe Ducey shows us how to know if you're buying a potential money pit.
Would you guys mind taking a look?
3 cars all cleaned up, but one of them is hiding a dangerous secret.
Which one you think is the flood car?
A few years ago with Carfax, we tested whether people could spot the car seriously damaged in a flood.
I'm trying to look for like cracks maybe.
I would think maybe like a water line or something like that.
There's a water line here.
It's so tough to tell.
Hard to tell, but you need to know. After Hurricane Ian, expect to see some of those flooded cars being sold in Arizona. Flood damaged cars should be branded with new salvaged or flood titles. But sometimes after a rebuild, those cars are reappearing with clean titles. And maybe years later, where the rust comes out, the airbags don't work correctly, or the electronics make the car unusable.
So how do you spot a flood damaged car? Some obvious signs: does it smell musty inside? Take a look at the brakes. Are the rotors rusty? Headlights, are they new when the car is old?
Less obvious signs in the trunk. Are there signs of soot or dirt? Look for rust under the molding around the doors. If you can pull up a piece of carpeting, check for mold. Look in the glove box for water signs. Back to our flooded car test.
My gut tells me it's that one.
I think it's the one in the middle.
No, it's this car.
What?
This is what the car looked like before it was cleaned up to fool a potential buyer.
Best advice with any car purchase: take it to a trusted mechanic and have him do a thorough checkout before buying. I've got more help with flooded cars or buying any car. Go to abc15.com/letjoeknow. I'm investigator Joe Ducey. If you got a problem, let me know.